Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It's 8:27 p.m. Saturday, September 7th, 2019, and what you're looking at right now is an Envirofan Orange Line. It has the round motor. It was, looks like it was has Union as the OEM. This was actually, I drove up to Rhode Island to pick it up. It was in a the gentleman I bought it from, lived next to a hunting camp, and I guess that it was in the camp. It had really high ceilings, and it just moves a ton of air. It's a very powerful ceiling fan. Unfortunately, it was painted over. One of the tags was painted over where it said, Banville Orange Line, I'm sure, but that's all right. The sort of a paint of the blades and the upper and lower canopies are painted sort of a you can tell almost a sort of a light green, sort of an off-white, but has a sort of a green tint to it, which I actually kind of like. The motor seems to be the original white, and still has the orange stripe around it, indicating that it's an orange line. I've never seen an orange line with the Union motor, but it's from, I want to say, I think somewhere on the tag it said it was from 1980, which would be just about right. So anyway, I'll start it off on low. I have it hitched up to the same control I had the Pro line on. Slow is very slow. We'll try the next setting. Give it a little more juice. On to the next setting. And the next one. Oh yeah, that's moving some air. Now with the spin down, I take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching this video. Please do click like on it, I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, check out my other fan videos on YouTube and my Facebook page, also called the Fan Cave. I'm sure I know some of you guys that are going to be watching this already. If not, my name is Mark Wilson. I'm sure I've yeah, I've met some of you guys at Fanimation in the past, and look forward to meeting some more of you folks. Now, I do collect vintage industrial ceiling fans like this, so if you have one you're looking to get rid of, please do send me a private message. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, as much as I enjoy the ceiling fan, so. And needless to say, this fan is not for sale or trade. Just figured I'd throw that in there. And you can see over here where the tag was painted over. It's in the shape of the original Envirofan, you know, the Banville tag, but you know, it's been, yep, been painted over. As is this one. Alright. Thanks, folks. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.